The game is afoot. A new criminal is at work, operating at impossible speeds.
Observe the evidence. Reconnaissance takes minutes. Initial access, mere seconds. The entire timeline has collapsed.
This speed, it defies human capability. A new criminal mind is at work. Let us examine the suspects.
Our first suspect is a familiar face. Generative AI, known by aliases like WormGPT and FraudGPT.
A skilled forger, no doubt. It crafts convincing lures and malicious code. A powerful accomplice, to be sure.
But here lies the crucial flaw in the case. It requires constant human direction, a tool, not a mastermind. The facts point to a more sophisticated culprit. We must now search for one that thinks for itself.
And this brings us to Agentic AI. This is no mere tool. It is an autonomous operator. Its method is dangerously intelligent. It plans, it executes, it utilizes tools, and it learns from the results.
The distinction is elementary. One follows orders, the other conceives the entire plot.
So let's analyze its modus operandi. We see escalating levels of autonomy at play here.
At its most basic, it's a reactive agent, automating simple tasks with absolutely brutal volume.
Then it becomes adaptive. It learns from its own failures to refine its methods of attack.
At the autonomous level, it executes the entire heist start to finish, completely unsupervised.
Finally, coordinated agents work as one, much like a criminal syndicate, not just a single tool.
The investigation reveals a startling truth. This is nothing less than a full-blown AI arms race.
Consider this evidence. The How UE technique had an 86% success rate against production applications. Alarming. To fight a machine, you need a machine. Defenders are deploying their own agentic systems in response. These Guardian agents patrol AI systems, investigating threats and orchestrating a defense at machine speed. The case may be solved, but it leaves us with one final, rather provocative question. Now that you've enjoyed this Cyber Tips Explainer, to understand the cyber world around us, go on a watch marathon of our playlists to become a cybersecurity expert. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.